Wait, won't they catch on fire? Will they catch on fire?
And we'll party like we're 17.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY. I have literally had this in my closet for over 2 years, planning on doing this video. Never made it, don't know why. This smells like it's burning. Anyway, so we're gonna be doing a DIY candle holder thing.
Okay.
I don't know what to call it. You know what? Let me bring my materials. By the way, this is a cheap DIY I saw online. Everything I got is from the dollar store 2 years ago. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my materials. So the first thing is these flowers. Then we have 4 gold picture frames, some candles. So that's all the materials that you need for this project. The first thing that I'm gonna do is just take these out of packaging. They've literally been sitting in my closet for the past 2 years. Okay. I have defective picture frames here, but it's okay, they were $1. I'm not even gonna complain. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take the back off of the picture frames so that it's just the glass left. It's just gonna be this glass part that we're gonna use. To secure the glass, you see these little things that you would secure the picture with? There's no picture, so just put it all the way to the end and then the glass won't move. And this is what we're gonna make our candle holder. And this is what we're gonna make our candle holder out of. This is gonna be our little box. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to all of the picture frames. Okay, and now that we have the first step done, we're gonna go ahead and make a box. So we're gonna glue alongside here, right here, and we're gonna put this one right here. I'm winging it. I know that this is how it goes, but yeah, let's just do that. Let's go ahead and do that. Like I said, I have not used a glue gun in a while. Okay. Oh, okay, that's easy. That's all right. That's a-okay. Oh. You don't want to get the glue on the glass part, then it's gonna look ugly. By the way, I put this mantle down for that reason. I don't want to ruin my table. Okay, moment of truth. Oh god, there's glue everywhere. Moment of truth. We're just gonna put her on there. If you guys could see from this end. Okay, it's fine. You can see the glue poking out of there. This is not what it looked like, I swear. Was I not quick enough?
No.
I think I wasn't quick enough. Hold on. Was I not quick enough to put the... Oh, hold on, we need to try this again. I wasn't quick enough to put the glue down, to put the thing down. You have to be super quick. I don't know why this dries so quick. Okay, so we're just gonna go boom, 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 and quickly put her on down. Okay, that looks a lot better.
Oh, no, 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 no.
So now we know we have to be kind of fast. Okay. Let's do the other side. Boom, 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 boom. What are these sound effects? Now we're gonna put the last piece on top. I don't know why this is so hard. Like, it just dries so fast. It doesn't even give it time to... Oh, what am I doing? Right there. You know, I think we might be all right. Okay, so now we're going to carefully stand her up. We're falling apart here. Hold on. Need some more glue on this side. I don't know, maybe this glue is just really old. This is really old. No. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Let's do that again. Oh. Every side is coming apart. Every single side. Okay, let's just leave it at that. Let's just leave it at that. The next part is to take the back part of the frame, and we're gonna use this and we're gonna stick it on right here on the bottom so that when you put the candles on, they don't like burn whatever it's on, like the wax. So we're gonna cut it to fit like so. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put some glue on the edge here. And we're going to carefully stick her on. Don't know if that worked. This is very fragile. This is a very fragile. Okay, it worked. It did. Oh god. I am the Pinterest queen.
Are you sure about that?
I don't care that much about the bottom. Okay, carefully. Let's carefully stand her. Oh, we've got something. We've got something. Okay, so next we're gonna put the candles in. This one's a little used. It's okay. Okay. So I think I'll put this one in the center here. And then we'll put these little baby ones. I wonder if I should hot glue the candle down. Should I do that?
No.
Should I hot glue the candle down?
No.
Is that what people do?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hot glue the candle. There. I don't know how smart that is. Something's not right with my box, but that's fine. I'm gonna turn it around because the front is gonna be this piece here. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and... What in the world is wrong with these candles? Okay, I'm gonna place these along the side here. I think 3 is enough. Okay, and then what you do is you decorate the box with the flowers. So let's cut some flowers. Wait, won't they catch on fire? Will they catch on fire? I'm not sure. I don't know. You know, we're not even gonna light this candle. This is just gonna be for show because I feel like the candles will light on fire. And I don't know if I like that at all. Okay, I could have just done that. It looks really nice. It looked better in the picture. But I'm not, like I said, I'm not a whatever you're called when you do stuff like this. Okay, you know, so let me get all of this out of the way. Just get out of the way for a second, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the finished product slowly, carefully. Don't look at the side. Pretend like you did not see that side. This is a finished product. I think it looks really nice. We can't light the candles because it's going to light on fire. I don't understand. You know, I didn't think about that when I saw the photo, how it didn't catch on fire. But, you know what? I think that we did a pretty good job. I don't know why the glue won't work. I think it's just old. I'm not sure what's going on here. But I do know that this is cute. I'm putting this on my table. This took me some effort. Alrighty then, well, this is the finished product. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me try to make this. I think the hack is like a solid 8 out of 10. My execution, maybe a 3, 3.5. But the idea of it was pretty cool. It was a pretty cool idea. I just wish I could light this, but I'm not gonna start a fire in my house. So it's just gonna be to look at, I guess. Anyway, that's the end of this video, you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed it and if you want to see me do some more DIYs. This was pretty fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!